HooplaKidz How To presents Cheeky Art. Hello kids, let's make some flowers in a pot today. Make a circle and then 4 petals for the flower and the stem. Do the same for the other flower. You're doing good. Keep up the good work. Make the leaves and the pot for the flowers. Let's make a heart in the pot. Let's give our flower pot an outline. Time for the fun part. Let's paint it. I love to paint, don't you? Start with painting the circles yellow. Wouldn't our flowers look beautiful with blue petals? Let's color the petals of the other flower pink. Pink is such an amazing color. Let's paint the stems and leaves green. Wouldn't it be fun to give a little bit of orange to the pot? We're almost there. Let's color the heart red. Yay! Our drawing is ready and our flowers look so pretty.
Hey kids, how are you today? Let's draw a butterfly. I love butterflies, don't you? We do a circle for the head and a long oval shape for the body with some curvy lines. There, let's do the wings. They're kind of like heart shapes with one part bigger than the other part. So the top wing's going to be slightly larger than the bottom wing. And then a couple more at the bottom, one on each side. Little one. Brilliant, let's do the antennae. Curly whirly. Curly whirly. Some eyes. These are just little circles, nice and easy. And a curvy line for a smile. Now let's decorate. Some spots, one on each of the lower, smaller wings. Time to colour. We're going to do the butterfly's body in yellow using a nice bright colouring pen. You can always use paint or crayons or even pencils, whatever you prefer to use to colour in your butterfly. And if you feel like it, you could do each section of the butterfly's body in a different colour. There, let's do orange spots. Brilliant! Purple for the lower wings. I love that combination of orange and purple. The darkness of the purple really makes the brightness of the orange stand out. Lovely. Have you ever seen a real butterfly? Maybe in the garden or in the meadows? Aren't they just beautiful? Right, let's colour the wings. We're going for pretty in pink. Some nice long strokes here, colouring it in very quickly and easily. And then we just tidy up around the edges. It's got a nice thin tip, this pen, so that makes it easy to just stay in between the black lines. Same for the bottom wing. Do you know what baby butterflies are called? That's right, they are called caterpillars. Isn't it amazing how a caterpillar turns into this beautiful butterfly? They eat and eat and eat and eat, and then they form a chrysalis around them, like a happy home to live in and hibernate for quite some time, and then they burst through and come out as a gorgeous butterfly. And did you know when they come out, their wings are folded, and then they open them out. These beautiful, bright pink wings. Wow! Butterflies come in all different colours. There, let's do the face now. That's going to be yellow, just like the body, but a paler yellow. And the eyes. Now let's shade the border to make it nice and thick. And it just completes the final look. And it looks great. There! Some pupils. And we are done. Brilliant! Hey, today we're going to draw a flower and make it pink. Beautiful. Would you like to try? Get your crayons and pens ready. Time to draw the middle. The centre is a circle. Then some oval petals around the edge. We just curve around, curve around, curve around. Let's do a smiley face. Some circles for the eyes. A smile. Some little circles in the centre of the eyes for the pupils. And of course, a stem. Let's shade and darken that border. Lovely! Let's use yellow for the centre of our flower. We're using paint, but you can use crayons, colouring pencils, pens, anything you like. You know there are different types of paint you can use as well, depending on what material you're painting on. Are you painting on paper? Are you painting on card? Maybe canvas? A lovely sunny yellow with a thin paintbrush because we've got to go around all of those borders. We don't want to go over the black lines. We want to stay inside them. Carefully going around the mouth and the eyes and staying within the big circle centre. You're doing well. Keep going. Do you like flowers? Which type of flower is your favourite? I love sunflowers, they're so bright. And I love how they lift their head up to the sun and then put it down to sleep at night. They're so tall too. Isn't it amazing? You're almost done. Right, let's do the pink on the petals. Again, carefully going around the border, staying in between the black. You can use a slightly thicker paintbrush for this petal because there are no facial features in it to paint around. A good technique is actually to paint inside the borders first. That way you can just paint freely inside of that. That's it, you're doing a great job. Let's do the next one. If you wanted, you could even do a rainbow flower with each petal being a different colour. If you drew smaller petals inside the big petals, you could even layer each petal, each one being a different colour. Wouldn't that be awesome? Look, this little flower is watching me paint. La 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 la, dee 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 dee. Spring is here, folks. Isn't it exciting? Now, what kind of place might you see a flower? Let's have a think. Do you have a garden? Perhaps in your garden. Maybe in the green grass at the side of the road. How about in a forest? Maybe even in a meadow. We might even see flowers on a mountain. What do you think? That's it, keep painting. You've just got 2.5 more petals to go. Brilliant. If you want to darken your colour once you've painted it, you just let the first layer dry and then you can paint over it again, just like we do with nail polish. A flower for you, a flower for me. I like it pink as can be. But you can choose any color that you really like. Let's paint our flower every night. I love my flower, yes I do. I hope that you do too. Painting is fun. Yay! We've done the petals! Good job, guys! Time for the stalk, and it's going to be green, of course! You can even draw and paint some leaves on it if you want to. Maybe the grass below. Flower! You did it! Well done! You drew and painted a flower!